replacing your marine battery. For those that feel confident in changing their marine battery, this one is for you. This is how I replace my marine battery in my Surtees 540 Pro Fisher. Always remember safety first. Wear safety glasses and gloves. Find where your battery is located. For me, the battery is located under the center console. Take off the terminals, start with the negative terminal first, then remove the positive one. This is to reduce the risk of shorting. Once the terminals are removed, we can take out the old battery. Careful, because they're very heavy, and pop in a new one. When the new battery is in place, reconnect the terminals, this time starting with the positive first and then the negative. Most battery spots vary from boat to boat, so if you're not sure, it's always good to check with your local battery expert.